Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to make or create the zip file on your Windows 11 PC. So let's start without wasting our time. So as you can see here, this is the testing purpose. I have made this folder, you can see here. So if I want to make it as a zip file, so what you need to do is you need to select the folder here. Let's say inside here there are many contents, okay, as you can see here. But if you want to make it as a zip folder, so you need to right click on the selected item, right click over there, and once you right click on that, you can see the compressed zip file here. This is the inbuilt of the Microsoft, the Windows 10 or 11. So it is going to zip all the folder here now. But if you have the multiple folders, like multiple files here, you have to select all of them and then right click over there and simply make them into one. Let me show you also once this is done. So now this is done. You can see here, this is a zip folder. It has been created now successfully. See here, now the difference in the zip folder is there is a size difference between them. Let me show you what is the exact size of this. If I go to its properties and choose its property, you can see here 266 MB, okay. And let me show you here, see 600 MB, 6 MB difference between zip and other folder. But if you are dealing with a huge file like gigabytes, in a gigabytes, you will see the difference in also in a gigabyte. And also this tool is very used for sending the mails and other things. So let me show you how to compress all the files here. Let's say these are the all files which I want to zip. So select all of file guys, simply select them, okay, and you can see the option here, extract. Okay, these are the inside the extract. We have to click on the main directory, select all and right click, and you can see the option of compress zip file. So once you have selected the compressed zip file, you should able to merge all the file into one. Okay, now you can see one folder, separate folder is created. Let me name it test. Okay, now if I go to inside the zip folder here, I can see all the items inside one folder. So this is also very good for making all the files into one folder, that is zip folder, as you can see here. So this is the way to